Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can quickly create a makeup effect in Spark AI Studio. Now you probably think to yourself, this is something advanced, but actually not, because Spark AI actually has a template which you can choose straight away and start creating a makeup effect, which is this one, this option, uh, and create a filter almost like in a few seconds. If you just accept the defaults, you can just export it and use it straight away. But of course, you will want to make some changes. So the first thing you need to do is when you launch Spark AI, instead of creating a blank project, we're going to go to this option, which is called Makeup. This is the window that shows up once you launch Spark AI Studio. So you go to the Create New option. It should be there by default, selected. And then we're going to go to Makeup. Then what you need to do is just double click it, and it will open a window, Spark AI window, which you can start using, working with. So let's. Alright, so we are in Spark AI Studio right now, and as you can see, this is a template project. This means it doesn't start from blank, and you already have makeup elements available on the face, which you can actually use straight away. So even if you export the project right now using the upload and export option, you can upload this one as a filter, and people who will try it will have this lipstick and eyeshadow, eyeliner, and all this, face blur effect, and everything that you see here will be available for anyone who tries it. But of course, you want to make some changes to it. Now keep in mind that you can always use this project as a base project and add anything else to the project. You're not limited only to makeup effects. You can do everything we did in the previous tutorials, and anything you can imagine. Everything you can create in a base project, basically, you can create here as well. It's just that you have some features which are added to the project by default. All right. So as you can see here in the scene node, there is this makeup option. This makeup option gives you control over all the makeup elements which are available by default in this project. And there are also assets which are added to this project as well. Now if you want to do something very simple and just making changes to the makeup effect, all you need to do is just tap here the makeup, and then we'd open up all the block options here on the sidebar, and there are plenty of options here, and it's very clear to know what you can change, and it's very easy to change it. So as you can see, under inputs you have many different options. For example, the first one is eyeliner color. So if you want to change this color, you need to tap this, and a color picker will open up, and then you can just drag it and choose a different eyeliner color, and you can close it. By the way, as of the time of writing it, this is buggy. As you can see, it continues changing. I hope this one will be fixed, because right now I actually need to restart Spark AI Studio and try for the beginning. See, it's already stuck and it's very slow. Alright, let me start and try again. Alright, we're back. So I actually reported this, but it's not fixed yet. Hopefully this will be fixed. So again, we're gonna tap, select the makeup block, and then I'm not gonna tap the eyeliner again because it's gonna have the same bug, but we're gonna check out other options. I think the other colors also have the problem, but we'll see. Okay, we can change the eyeliner opacity, means transparency. We can change the eyeshadow. Let me enlarge it more. Eyeshadow color, eyeshadow opacity. You can see the color changes, the opacity changes, sorry. I can change the lips color. Let me try again and see if it's bugged. Hopefully not. All right, so let's continue. Again, tapping makeup. Just the inputs, customize your makeup look. Okay, so I won't touch the colors right now because they are buggy. So again, you can change the lips opacity, light sensitivity, specular threshold, specular intensity, reflectivity, for some reason it's so slow today, I don't know why. Lightness, saturation, eyelash color, eyelash length, eyelash opacity. So each one of those actually affect the makeup look. So you can just change it and see that you get something that you are satisfied with. I actually really like the eyelash length. It's really cool. Just take a look. I'm gonna increase it. 2. Just look how long the lashes are. Can you make it bigger just so you can override this? No, the maximum is 2. It doesn't accept higher number. And you can also hide them with just putting 0. I think 02 is the default one. I don't know, it will be even, it will be very small. Yeah, very small. Yeah, something that I enjoy playing around with. So these are the basic elements which you can use in the makeup. I just, by the way, I want to show you something. You can see here the textures. For some reason, it happened that the textures, it didn't look good, and then I checked and I saw that compression is enabled. So what I did, I don't know why it's like by default like this, or maybe just for optimization reasons, but the problem was that the lipstick didn't look right in my project, and what I eventually done was just clicking no compression on those. As you can see, no compression can increase the size, but again, we are talking about bytes, very few kilobytes, so it's not, you get more kilobytes, but it's not a big deal here. Let's see here. So again, it's not a big issue. So what I did, I just tapped on those 3, no compression, and then it's actually solved some of the visual issues that I had with how the lipstick looked. For the others, didn't really matter, but for the lipsticks actually looked better when I just clicked no compression. So really, this is a very basic thing, but can be a good base for many of your filters. So we can create launch the makeup template and start creating a filter from there. If you already, and this is I can give you for experience, sometimes I start creating filter and then I decide, oh, I want to add makeup to this. It can look really good, but I didn't find any way which I can make add the makeup to the effect any other way. There might be, but I didn't find any. Usually, because it's a block, you can actually add it to the scene. Alright, so I just checked and I didn't see any option to import this part of the template into a currently new blank project or other project that you have that didn't include the makeup by default. If you know if it's possible, please share this in the comment section below. I really want to know this. What I know is there is an option. If you tap file and you go to a new from template, you can go to makeup. I mean, this is one option, but it will create a new project. It won't import into the currently active project, and this something that I really want to know if it's possible, because usually when I decide during a project that I want to add makeup, I didn't have any option to do so, and I need to start the project, a new project with makeup, and then import all the other assets to the new makeup project. So just something that you need to keep in mind. Again, if you have a solution for this, please let me know. So again, this is a very simple way to start a project with makeup, and you can do it right now and in seconds change things and create a makeup filter. And of course, we can add anything else to the scene and continue working starting from this as a base. So that's it. That's a quick look at the makeup option in Spark AI Studio. I hope that will fix those bugs that I've seen. I'm it on Windows, by the way, the latest version, which is version 83, and I hope that this will be fixed. Maybe if you try it on Mac or maybe on your computer it won't happen, but for me it happens all the time. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the makeup feature in Spark AI Studio. I'm doing my best to release new tutorials almost every day. I'm just starting out, so just excuse me if I don't get things correctly, but I'll improve in between videos and I'll get better. So thanks for watching. I see you on the next video. Bye everyone.